Good evening, everyone. Welcome to these online lectures. So here in this lecture, we are dealing with the paper Environmental Education. And under the paper Environmental Education, here we shall start with the first unit, that is Swachh Bharat and Environmental Awakening. So, students are well aware of what the campaign of Swachh Bharat is and what the program of Swachh Bharat is. So this is an initiative taken by the government of India in order to promote high level of cleanliness around the country. So it includes so many things, not only cleanliness but also eradication of open defecation, promoting sanitation facilities, and elimination of insanitation. And it includes so many policies which are helpful for the development of the country. So here we shall know the meaning, concept and definition of Swachh Bharat. So Swachh Bharat is started by the government to make India a completely clean India. Clean India was a dream seen by Mahatma Gandhi, regarding which he said that sanitation is more important than independence. So during his time, he was well aware of the poor and dirty conditions of the country. That's why he made various efforts to complete his dream. However, it could not be successful in his lifetime. Sorry to say this, but as a dream, it was carried it was promoted to the future generations, where we carry out this responsibility in making the country clean. And moreover, he said that both cleanliness and sanitation are integral parts of healthy and peaceful living. So unfortunately, India became lack of cleanliness and sanitation even after 67 years of its independence. And moreover, this mission has to be completed by 150th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi ji, that is on 2nd October of 2000 of the year 2019. So that means the next 5 years of its launching. That means it was launched in the year 2014 and it should be completed by 2019. So it was urged by the government to the people to spend their only 100 hours of time in an entire year towards cleanliness in their surrounding areas or other places of India, to make it a successful campaign. And there are various implementation policies and mechanisms for the program, including 3 important phases, such as planning phase, implementation phase, and sustainability phase. And moreover, this mission, that means this Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, was started or launched on 2nd of October in the year 2014, that is on the 145th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi ji, by targeting its completeness in the year 2019, that is on 2nd of October in the year 2019, that is the 150th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi ji. And moreover, the Ministry of Urban Development and the Ministry of Drinking Water and Sanitation accordingly worked in urban and even in rural areas of India in order to promote this mission, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. The first cleanliness drive was conducted on 25th of September 2014. That was started by Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi. So, in order to resolve the sanitation problems as well as better waste management schemes all over India by creating sanitation facilities to all. And coming to the need of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, so here there was a dire need of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan because of the lack of sanitation facilities all over the nation. So it is very essential for the people in India to really get the feeling of physical, mental, social and intellectual well-being. It is to make living status advanced in India in real means which can be started by bringing all over cleanliness. And there are certain points proving the urgency of or urgent need or the dire need of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan in India are: it is very essential to eliminate the open defecation in the nation as well as making available toilet facilities to everyone. It is needed in India to convert the insanitary toilets into flushing toilets. It is necessary in order to eradicate the manual scavenging system. And moreover, it is to bring behavioral changes among Indian people regarding maintenance of personal hygiene and practice of healthy sanitation methods. And moreover, it is to support the working bodies to design, execute and operate the waste disposal systems locally. And the need of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan is found in bringing private sector participation to develop sanitary facilities all through the India. And it is to make India a clean and green India. It is necessary to improve the quality of life of people in rural areas. It is to bring sustainable sanitation practices by motivating communities and Panchayati Raj institutions through the awareness programs like health education. It is to bring the dream of Mahatma Gandhi ji to come true in the due period. So, here we find the need and the necessity of the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan in all walks of life of the people of India. And moreover, here we see so many initiatives that were taken by the government of India in promoting this Swachh Bharat mission or Swachh Bharat Abhiyan in the urban areas. And the Panchayati Raj and Ministry of Departments and Ministry of Urban Development Department and even the Ministry of Drinking Water and Sanitation. So they are working in order to achieve the target in the urban areas. Programs which have been targeted to be completed in elimination of the open defecation, converting unsanitary toilets into flush toilets, and eradicating manual scavenging, bringing behavioral changes among public. So, in terms of solid waste management. And here also we see the Gramin Swachh Bharat Abhiyan or Swachh Bharat mission. So the implementation of these cleanliness programs in the rural areas to improve quality of life of people's living, that means in the terms of standards of living in the rural areas. So to motivate people to maintain sanitation in rural areas to complete the vision of Swachh Bharat by the year 2019. To motivate local working bodies such as communities, Panchayati Raj institutions to make available the required sustainable sanitation facilities. To promote ecologically safe and sustainable sanitation in the rural areas. And moreover, the government of India has imposed the Swachh Bharat cess in order to promote the cleanliness programs. So 5% of Swachh Bharat cess is collected in order to implement the cleanliness programs in all areas. And moreover, here we see so many issues in implementation of the cleanliness programs all over the nation. So, Swachh Bharat cess is an improvement in the service tax by 5% on all the services in India. It was started by the Ministry of Finance to collect some fund from each and every Indian citizen for Swachh Bharat Abhiyan in order to make it useful and make this campaign, cleanliness program, a successful one. That means every citizen has to pay extra 50 paise for each 100 rupees as service tax. That means 0.5% of service tax as Swachh Bharat cess. So this service tax is used for the cleanliness campaign. And moreover, we can say Swachh Bharat Abhiyan is a nice welcome step to clean and green India till 2019. And moreover, coming to the history of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, so the campaign of Clean India movement is the biggest step taken ever as a cleanliness drive till date. On the day of launch of this campaign, around 3 million government employees, including students from the schools and colleges, had participated in the event to make it popularize globally and make common public aware of it. So, here the government of India is taking so many measures and involving the public interest and making the citizens to participate in this mission in order to make this cleanliness campaign a successful one. So our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi had nominated the name of 9 famous personalities from business industries, sports and Bollywood to drive the Clean India campaign. Narendra Modi ji has said that this campaign should be taken as the big challenge and must pass the request to invite other 9 people individually so that this vision of cleanliness may be completed till 2019. And moreover, the other programs of cleanliness in India, such as Central Rural Sanitation Program, CRSP, was started in the year 1986. All over the country, which had focused to construct the individual sanitary latrines for the personal use of the people living below the poverty line. It had focused to convert the dry latrines to the low-cost sanitary latrines, to construct latrines especially for rural women with other facilities of hand pump, bathing room, sanitation, washing hands, etc. And other program like Total Sanitation Campaign, TSC, of cleanliness in India was started in the year 1999 by the Government of India in order to restructure the rural sanitation program. Nirmal Gram Puraskar was started in the month of June in the year 2003 as a sanitation program to boost the Total Sanitation Campaign, TSC. And the Government of India had taken all measures in order to promote a high level of cleanliness around the nation. And coming to the concept of Swachh Bharat, it means clean India. Swachh means clean, Bharat means India. The campaign aims to accomplish the vision of clean India by the year 2019, that is by 2nd of October 2019. So we need it because cleanliness is next to godliness. If everyone sweeps their own door, their neighborhood, the world becomes a clean, pure, and healthy place for all. It is the responsibility of every citizen to participate in this campaign to make India clean. A clean India would be the best tribute that we could pay to Mahatma Gandhi ji on his 150th birth anniversary in the year 2019. And moreover, this Swachh Bharat Abhiyan or Swachh Bharat mission was launched throughout the country, that is the length and breadth of the country, as a national movement. So, and moreover, while leading the mass movement of cleanliness, the Honorable Prime Minister exhorted people to fulfill Gandhiji's dream of a clean and hygiene India. And by inviting the people to participate in this drive, the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan has turned into a national movement. A sense of responsibility has been evoked among the people through the Clean India movement, with citizens now becoming active participants in cleanliness activities across the nation. The dream of Clean India, once seen by Mahatma Gandhi ji, has begun to get a shape. So here we come to the end of this lecture. Thank you.